Hi everyone, it's Slangel here from Slangel Designs again, and today we're going to have a quick little tutorial on one of the next basic crochet stitches, which is the half double crochet. This is a variation of the double crochet. It's going to be half as tall in your pattern, and you're going to find in patterns it's going to be abbreviated as an HDC, which is your half double crochet. So again, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm using a worsted weight number 4 yarn, and I have a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook just to make it easier and a little easier to see the stitches. So like any of the other ones, we're going to start with our chain. I'm going to chain just 13 this time. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, all the chain is just yarn over and pull through your hook. So 11, 12, 13. And again, the loop on your hook doesn't count as one of your chains there. So when you're going to do your half double crochet, same idea as a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, and then we're going to go from the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, put your hook through, yarn over and pull so that you pull your yarn through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. The difference being with the half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. If we had been doing the double crochet as in the previous video, we would have went through 2 and then 2. So yarn over and through your stitch, yarn over and pull through so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So again, yarn over onto your hook, insert your hook into the chain or your stitch, wherever you're at in your pattern, yarn over, pull through so that there's the 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So the half double crochet ends up being half as tall as a full double crochet, because you're eliminating one of the steps. Because if you remember, in the double crochet, you had the 3 loops on your hook, you yarned over and pulled through 2, then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So this is kind of cutting out one of those steps. So it's half of a double crochet. So again, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So I'm going to get to the end of the row here. So some of the things we got working on in the background, kind of behind the scenes, is we're getting a WordPress site up and going to put a link to the videos and the patterns and stuff like that, and any of the patterns that are coming up for some of the projects. There will be a link in the descriptions to go so you can get yourself a PDF version for free of any of the projects, so that if you want to work along with it while we're working on it, perhaps on a stream, or just to make it for yourself or for a gift for somebody, those patterns will be available for free download. And I thought that was important, so that if anybody wanted to work along with us, you're more than welcome to. So we have reached the end of our row. Now with the half double crochet, what you're going to do is chain 2 and turn your work. Then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first spot, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and don't forget, I'm not saying front or back loop only, so you're going to make sure you have both loops on your hook there, under your hook there. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. So we're going to just kind of cruise along a little bit here and get towards the end. because I think what I'm going to do is just do also a row of the double crochet just so you can see what the difference looks like. So again, when you get up towards the end here, you're going to see there is one there. Yarn over, get it through the 2, yarn over and pull your yarn through, then yarn over and pull through all 3. And again, that gives us our nice flat edges on the sides to make it nice and even. So the half double crochet is fairly easy. So let's do a chain 2, turn, yarn over, insert your hook. But now I'm just going to do a quick few double crochets, which I showed in the previous video. So don't worry about this. I just want to show you the difference in the looks of them. So as you can see, we have 2 rows here. The 2 rows of the half double crochet almost work out to be a row of the double crochet, but you don't have the spaces between like you do in the double crochet. It's a much tighter stitch, so it works out. So, and crochet is much more forgiving than knitting, where you can just turn around and pull that back. So again, for your half, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and all 3. And again, in any kind of a pattern, it's going to say HDC, half double crochet. So this would be a little bit taller than a single crochet, but half the size of a double, hence the half double crochet. So it works up pretty quickly because you have cut the number of steps down from the double, so there's not as much motion. So again, as you see, we have our nice flat sides, and it's a fairly tight stitch, not much room between the stitches. And that's the half double crochet. So thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps out, and I appreciate it greatly. And stay tuned for the next one, where we're going to go over the treble, or also known as the triple crochet, depending on the terminology in the pattern. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.